Hello, and welcome back to Thomas Talks. Hope you guys are keeping well. And today we're going to be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing on the Multicolour Pocket Organiser. So stay tuned for this video. So here we have the little box in question, nicely wrapped up with the bow going both ways now, or both of the straps. Little card here, little envelope which I might have ordered with a little note to myself. Let's have a look. Does it say anything? Oh no, it doesn't say anything. So we've got a little blank card inside the white envelope there, which you can write little greetings on. So here we go. Pull this down. A little LV dust bag. Now look at that, wow. First time I've seen it in real life with you guys. So this is the 3D giant monogram canvas, and it's got the bright multicolored checks, as you can see. So I guess it's going to be similar to this giant monogram canvas Pocket Organiser I got in 2020. As you can see, same size. This one's got the cards on it, stuff that I use. And I'm quite liking this in real life. It looks a bit like patchwork. It also looks like a BBC TV test screen, or that multicoloured elephant, if we can remember that from our childhoods. It's just the same kind of canvas that we became used to. You can see up close. I like the different way the patterns are going in different directions, the colours, the kind of patchwork quilt look. And inside it's just plain black, so it says made in Spain, Louis Vuitton Paris. And we've got a little card here saying coated fabric, cowhide, leather lining. So it'll be around the side. Quite a nice little colourful piece, and definitely something to cheer us up in 2021. I actually bought this on New Year's Day, or New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, like 2 AM or something like that. Seen it on the website and pulled the trigger on it, and it's now almost a week later since it came, so not too bad considering people's time off and stuff like that, but quite a nice piece. What do you guys think of it? If you like the colour, if you like the collection. I don't know, I need to stop buying Pocket Organiser. I think I've got 6 now. I do quite fancy one in that pastel colour that's coming out in February, but apart from that, what do we think? I'll do a whole review video on Pocket Organiser again, but as you can see, plenty of slots for, 3 slots for like credit cards. We've pouch in there for maybe ID card or something, pouch in there for notes or driver's license I keep in here. And a little bit in the back as well for notes and things. It's very versatile, that's why I quite like this. But yeah, such a nice colourful piece. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video on Louis Vuitton Multicoloured. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching Thomas Talks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Pocket Organiser. One last look into this video, the multicoloured checked one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Thomas Talks below. I'm going to try and get more content out to you. Trying to aim for 1,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscription button. And also check me out on Instagram at TheLuxScott. I post quite regularly there. And if you've got any questions or comments below, or maybe in the question, I'd like to know, and let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao!